Is anybody else just like absolutely insanely cold right now? Like I have a hot water bottle around my waist and my back just because it is actually freezing. Hello beautiful people and welcome to the channel. Today I am back with another unboxing video, and today we are going to be looking at the Soundpeats Air Pro 4 earphones. Soundpeats actually released the Air Pro 3 last year June, and they came out with these ones September this year. So I will be unboxing them, checking out some of the features and putting it to the test. But yes, thank you Soundpeats for sending me these earphones to have a look at today, and without further ado, let's get into it. So the Soundpeats actually have multi-platform connectivity. So what that means is you can connect the earphones to two devices at the same time. As you saw in the first instance, I connected it to my iPhone, and then now I'm going to show you how I connect it to my iPad. So I just switched off the Bluetooth from my phone, turned on the Bluetooth on my iPad and connected it to the earphones, and then turned on my iPhone Bluetooth again. And now it's connected to both devices, which is pretty cool. In terms of the earphones themselves and how they actually look pretty sleek. I personally like the black and gold vibe when it comes to aesthetics anyway. I'm gonna go through the more specific tech specifications later in the video, but just a heads up, these earphones do have 3 mics each and are fitted with 13mm dynamic drivers. So now I'm gonna go through the controls with you and how to use some basic functions on the earphones. Left tap once is volume down, right tap once is volume up. Double right tap is to pause and or play. If you press down on the right earphone when you're listening to music, then it will change to the next song. And if you tap the right earphone 3 times, then Siri will come up or whatever assistant you have on your device. And you can also tap it 3 times again to turn it off. Okay, as you can tell by my obvious joy and dancing, the sound quality on these earphones are actually really good. You can switch between 3 different modes on the earphones. So if you press down on the left earphone for about 2 seconds, you'll switch between normal mode, noise reduction mode, and pass-through mode. Right, so to test my voice and the mic on these earphones, I'm making a voice recording to see how clear this sounds when I'm on calls, etc, etc, etc. The way the sound waves are picking up my voice, I can tell that it's quite responsive, which is really good. So I'm going to play it back and see how that sounds. One of the special features of the Air Pro 4 earphones is that they are fitted with Snapdragon sound and aptX lossless. And what that means, if you are like me and had to search that up, in short terms, it basically means that the sound quality is going to be at a very high level and that you're going to be getting a lot of low latency. So the earphones actually have a gaming mode. And if you tap the left earphone 3 times, it will tell you that gaming mode has turned on. So I put it to the test and played a bit of Call of Duty Mobile. And what I noticed is that the sounds were actually really clear and the low latency was definitely low latency. So yeah, no complaints for me on the sound quality side. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you're watching me from in the world, and I'll see you all in my next YouTube video. Bye!